My dear brothers and sisters, there are moments in life when everything seems confusing. You make dua, but the answer does not come. You work hard, but the doors remain closed. You try your best, but things still do not go the way you expected. In those moments, Shaitan whispers to you, maybe Allah has forgotten you. Maybe your dua is not being heard. Maybe things will never get better. But my dear brothers and sisters, never believe that lie. Never doubt Allah's plan. The truth is that Allah sees what you cannot see. Allah knows what you do not know. Allah understands the future while we only see the present moment. Many times, we ask Allah for something and we want it immediately. We think that if Allah loves us, He will give it to us right now. But Allah's wisdom is greater than our understanding. Perhaps the thing you are asking for today would harm you if you received it now. Perhaps the door that closed was protecting you from pain. Perhaps the delay is preparing you for something better. Perhaps Allah is saving a reward for you that is greater than anything you imagined. Think about the story of Prophet Yusuf. He was thrown into a well by his own brothers. Then he was sold as a slave. Then he was imprisoned even though he was innocent. Imagine how difficult those years must have been. Yet every painful event was part of Allah's perfect plan. The well led to the palace. The prison led to leadership. The hardship led to honor. If Prophet Yusuf had only looked at the situation in front of him, he might have thought everything was falling apart. But Allah was arranging everything perfectly. And the same Allah who planned for Yusuf is the same Allah who is planning for you. Sometimes Allah delays something because the timing is not right. Sometimes Allah removes something because something better is coming. Sometimes Allah tests us because He wants us to become stronger and closer to Him. Remember this. A child may cry when a doctor gives medicine, not knowing that the medicine will help him heal. In the same way, we may dislike certain events in our lives, while Allah knows that those very events will bring us closer to success, guidance, and peace. My dear brothers and sisters, look back at your life. How many things once worried you that no longer matter today? How many times were you afraid, yet Allah made a way out? How many times did you think it was the end, but Allah opened a new door? If Allah helped you before, why do you doubt that He can help you again? When your heart becomes heavy, remember that Allah is never late. People may be late. Opportunities may seem late. Results may seem late. But Allah is never late. His timing is always perfect. Even when you do not understand what is happening, trust Him. Keep praying. Keep making dua. Keep obeying Allah. Keep moving forward. And never allow hardship to make you lose hope. The darkest part of the night comes just before dawn.